Hello everyone, this is Vishal and I hope everyone doing well. So this reviews is about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. So I took admission in Evision and took training for almost 3 months, and I learned about networking, CCNA, Windows administration, Linux, and cyber security. So in entire 3 months, I learned a lot about each topics. So each trainer giving me a very good kind of knowledge sharing. So for Windows administration, CCNA, and networking, it's a really good option to choose Evision. The trainers provide very good kind of knowledge, and technical part is all very good. So I got a placement in ITC Infotech Private Limited. So I recommend all of you to choose Evision for starting your IT journey. And if you guys are from different domain and want to make your career in IT industry, I recommend you guys to choose Evision as your starting for your career in IT field. So that's all about the Evision. Thank you so much.